Start by laying on your belly with your forehead resting on the backs of your palms. Take a few breaths here. On your inhale, raise your right elbow towards the ceiling. Exhale, gently lower back down. Inhale, left elbow raises towards the ceiling. Exhale, gently lower back down. Inhale to lift your right elbow. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift left elbow. Exhale to lower. Inhale, lift your head and chest. Exhale, lower. Inhale, right elbow lifts up along with your head and chest. Exhale, lower. Last round on the right. Inhale to lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift your right elbow and turn towards your right. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift your right elbow and turn to twist toward right. Exhale, lower. Bringing your left palm on top. Inhale to lift up and turn towards your left. Exhale, lower. Inhale to lift, slightly turn towards your left. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift up on the left. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift and twist to the left. Exhale, lower everything down. Last time, lifting and twist to the left. Exhale, come back to start. Inhale, lifting both elbows in your chest. Exhale, lower. Inhale, head, chest, elbows lift. Exhale, lower. Bringing your forearms down to the mat right underneath your elbows. Shine your heart forward. Exhale, round your upper back, tuck your chin into your chest. Inhale, head, neck, and chest lift up high towards the ceiling. Exhale, round your upper back, tuck your chin in. Take one last round of your Sphinx cat-cow. This time as you round your back, lift your pelvis, lift your hips. Exhale, gently lower, shining your heart forward. Inhale, round your back, tuck your chin, lift the hips. Exhale to bring your pelvis back down to the mat. Shining your heart forward. Curling, rounding the upper back, lift your hips, tuck your toes, lift up to a forearm plank. Your gaze is just off the short edge of your mat. Hold for a breath. Exhale, gently lower your body back down to the mat. Resting your chin on the backs of your hands. Bend both knees, allow your shins to fall left and right, side to side, to release tension in your low back. Bringing your feet back down to the mat. Bend your right knee, grabbing onto the front of the right foot. Hug that foot in towards your glutes. Exhale, gently lower. Bend your left knee, grab onto the front of the left foot. Exhale, gently lower. Quad stretch one more time on both sides, hugging your right heel in towards your glutes and lower. Left heel squeezes in, grabbing onto the front of that foot. Exhale, gently lower. Press yourself up to your tabletop, shoulders over wrist, hips over your knees. Tuck your toes under and have a seat back onto your heels. Take an inhale to lift both arms up to the ceiling. Exhale to lift your hips. Reach back with right fingertips to graze your right heel. Come back to center. Left fingertips reach down to touch your left heel. Come back to center. Rest your hips on your heels and reach your arms forward. Toes stay tucked the whole time. Walk your hands back to your knees to lift your knees into space. Full moon pose. Round your back, tuck your chin in. Exhale, gently lower your knees. Arms raised towards the ceiling. Lift your hips. Reach your right fingertips back, touch your right heel. Come back to center. Left fingertips reach back and down, touch the left heel. Come back to center. Send your glutes back to your heels and rest both palms onto the mat, reaching your arms forward. And walk your hands back to your knees to lift your knees. Keep your toes tucked in. That's the end of our practice for today. Namaste.